Today, we are going to start painting our winter penguin. I'm going to begin by writing my name on the back of my white piece of paper. Write your name with a pencil first. Then I'm going to turn my piece of paper over. It's going to be on top of my placemat. I have my paint and my paintbrush. Hold the paintbrush so your hand is away from the brushes. You want to make sure your hand is towards the top of the paintbrush so you do not get paint on your hand. First, you're going to apply some of the blue paint to your paper. You're going to make horizontal or side to side blue stripes across your paper. Most of the paper is going to get painted blue. We will leave some of it white. Take your time and paint around the paper, always going in the same direction. Don't switch directions. We should be going side to side the entire time. You want to go horizontally or side to side the entire time you are painting. Make sure you get all the way to the edge of the paper. The placemat underneath of your paper will help to keep the table from getting really messy. It's okay if you get some paint on the placemat, but try not to get it on the table. I'm going to put a little more paint, and that looks good. Now, as you can see, most of it has been painted blue. I am now going to switch and get some of my white paint, and I'm going to put it in the places I have not painted yet. And then I'm going to mix it in with the blue. As you can see, the white mixes with the blue to give it sort of an icy feel. This will give us the background for our winter penguin picture. Now I'm going to paint the whole paper with the white paint and mixing it in so it has some lighter spots, some darker spots, some spots that look blue, some spots that look white. We don't want it all to look exactly the same, but we do want to paint the whole thing. So I'm going to go over my paper with my paintbrush. I'm still going in the same direction. I'm still going side to side. Get a little more white. That looks good. Keep painting all the way to the edge. Check to make sure you didn't miss any spots. Go back and add a little bit more white if there's a spot that you think needs a little bit more. And go over the whole paper with your paintbrush, blending it all together. Don't forget the edges. Check those edges. We don't want to leave any of the paper white. We want to paint it all with the white and the blue paint. That looks good. When you are finished, you will take your paintbrush and put it in the sink, throw your paper plate away, and you can put your picture on the drying rack very carefully. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Go back and check your work before you put your stuff away. And don't forget to wash your hands. Always wash your hands when you are done painting.